going to show you my tilapia that I eat for dinner with my salad, okay? So my usual trick, quick fix, Creole seasoning. I would put, let me get the measurements so you know. 1 tablespoon. Use half each side, okay? Use half one side and flip over the other side. Might be too much. And then same with the oil. I always use half olive oil. I know, they are spicy.
Wow.
Now tilapia, they soak in pretty quick. You marinate them like in a second and you can start cooking. Okay, now it's the fish, tilapia fish that I eat with my lettuce for dinner. Okay, this one piece of tilapia filet is around 100 grams, 120 grams, so that's perfect. That's what I need. 100 grams of protein with 4 leaves of green lettuce and then 1 small cucumber and 5, how should you call this, baby tomato.
Oh yeah.
Okay. All right, so now I'm gonna cook the fish. Okay. Again, I'm using olive oil. I'm gonna let it heat it up, and then I'm gonna sprinkle my green onion there.
Why are you waiting on this to heat up? Where'd you get this from and how much did it cost?
Oh, it's from an Asian market. This whole thing is around $15, and I had to buy the propane separately in a package of 4, in which I don't remember how much. And it's very convenient. So all you do is just unlock this and it'll open up, and you just put the propane in there, close it, lock it. Voila, you have your own cooktop. You can use this for fondue cooking, for barbecue cooking, sitting at the table and cook. That's what I used to do. Well, you can have this one then. How about that? For you, you can have this one.
I'm already full.
So I'm gonna let this sit for a minute. It should be done less than 5 minutes. Tilapia, because they are so thin, and if the heat can get through it real quick, so you don't really need to cook too long. But if you like the burning crispy of it, then you let it sit a little longer, like a minute or 2 more. I just checked my sweet potato and it's still cooking, so hopefully it'll be done soon. I like to press it down so that it'll cook. You can turn down the flame at the medium so that it doesn't burn the fish. Press it down really tight. Let it swing in on the skillet. So total time I cook this fish is probably about 5 minutes. 5 minutes to 7 minutes, depends on the thickness of the fish. So everything when I prepare for you is really quick. Sometimes I got home from the gym, I'm not so hungry, what can I do? Wrap up the salad, cut it up, marinate the fish like in less than 10 minutes I have my meal ready. And it's healthy. Okay, I think it's pretty much done. Then I have my salad ready already, so I'm gonna put it on the side because I don't want to overcook my greens. Then I sprinkle the onion that I cut earlier on top. I like to have some black pepper in my salad, so I sprinkle a pinch of black pepper. And for the dressing, I'm just using a quick Japanese Kikkoman Rice Vinegar, and it say let's bring the salad to, and it's no to lie, so it's zero fat. That's what I like. Everything is zero fat, so this is perfect. I shake it up and I pour in to my taste. And here we go. Tilapia salad. Now I'm allowed to have about 1,600 milligrams per day. That's wrong.
1,600 grams.
Calorie.
Oh, 1,600 calories.
Cut.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Hi, welcome to my kitchen.
Hold on, I just messed up. You can hear all my glasses clicking. Not counting your prep ahead. I'm just wondering why there's only one piece of fish in there and there's 2 of us.
Potato would be my protein. Actually, I'm having my cut. That's wrong.
No, that's good.
No.